Friends, welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 5th, minerals and energy resources. This is geography part. This is module 2nd. In first module we discussed about the minerals and the types of the metallic and non-metallic. Okay. Now here we will discuss about their formation or occurrence. In which form or how they occur. So now what will be in that? They are found in ore form. Ore form means that is the mixture of one mineral with another. One mineral or metal with another. It means this is the raw form. For example, iron is found. It is found in the ore form. It means what is there? It is a mixture of raw materials. They are accumulated, they are joined, they are connected. When they are extracted, if they are in large quantity, it is very beneficial. That can be used for commercial or business purposes. If their quantity is less, the ore is of not good quality, not good quantity, then it is loss. Okay. So these minerals, they are found in ore form, means mixture or accumulation, composition, connection of one mineral with another. They are not found separately. They will be found in ore form. That is known as mixture form, or you may say impure form. Okay. Now we will discuss one by one that they are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Igneous and metamorphic rocks. These are found. So it means you know that igneous rocks, how they are formed. When the volcano erupts, the lava is settled on the ground, on the earth. When it cools down, then it into the form of igneous rocks. And metamorphic rocks, when some of the, you may say, particles, some of the things that move with water or air and settle at different place, that is known as metamorphic rocks. Okay. Igneous and metamorphic rocks, they are found between them. And what is that? They are found in form of veins, loops or cavities. How they are found? For example, this is an igneous rocks. You can see that, you may say that black soil, that is formed from igneous rocks. Okay, this is of black color. Igneous rocks that may be of different color. It is not that this is black. Black is there, brown is there, and even grey color is there, and chocolatey color is there. So different colors are there. So how they are found? They are formed in the form of veins. As we see that these are our veins, the blood passes through it. In the same manner, when the mineral is of lighter, like zinc is there, mica is there, or in the semi-solid liquid form, and loads means when it is in large layers. Okay, and in cavities, how they are found? When igneous rocks are there, they cool down, they settled at one place, and between those rocks, some holes are there, some cavities are there, some joints are there. In those joints, they are found. That can be example, you can frame that zinc is there, lead is there, and even you may say copper is there, mica is there. So these are the form that even that are found. Even into the form of, you may say, the petroleum, that is also into the liquid form. Okay, that are found in this. So in igneous and metamorphic form, they are found inside the rocks, where some holes are there, where some gaps are there, they are found in this. Okay. Second thing, that they are found in sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks, these are also the part that are related to something like igneous and metamorphic rocks. They are found in layers and beds. It means they are found in large quantity. Like iron ore is there, iron ore and coal are there. They are found in layers. Limestone are there. So they are heavier. Sedimentary rocks, they are found into the earth's surface deep inside. And how they are found? When these layers they are extracted, when they are cut, these iron ore and coal are found, and they are in the form of layers or beds, means at a large quantity. They are at a huge one. Okay. Third thing that you will be able to know about there, that is in the form of oceans or in the ocean, that are also found in oceans. So oceans means that oceans, you know that 97% is saline water, and you may know that sodium is there, iodine is there, and manganese and chlorine. These some of the minerals that are found. And you know that salt, that is common salt. Common salt is also found in that is known as sodium chloride. That is also found in this. Okay. And maximum things is magnesium noodles. Magnesium nodules that are also found in these. Magnesium nodules that are also found maximum in oceans. You have read in that first chapter that in Indian Ocean the extraction of magnesium is taken by the, you may say, Sri Lankan government, because this is in large quantity in that ocean water. Okay. So these salts are found and they are very important for human beings. Next is glacial deposits. Third, fourth, that is known as glacier deposits. They are also found in this. What is in these glacier deposits? The precious metals. The precious metals that are found. The precious metals are found, that is gold, silver, tin and platinum. These are the valuable precious minerals that are found. They are found in sand or alluvial clay. They are not found into the form of their water or जो प्लेसर डिपॉजिट है वो रेत में मिलते हैं. The mines are there in Maharashtra, in Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. These are the places where these placer deposits are there in Madhya Pradesh, Panna, and in Karnataka, that is Kolar. These minerals, precious minerals, are found, and they are, you may say, very important. And they are not found in mines. They are found in mines, but not like that coal and iron. They are found into the sand or clay. जैसी alluvial soil होती है उसके अंदर इस तरह से मिलते हैं वो. Next is there some in the form of rock formation. These are also found into the rock formation, means some of the residual mass of the earth. Residual mass. How they are found? Like bauxite is there. Bauxite, how it is found in the rock formation जो है, some residual, some remains are there, and when they are dig the bauxite like this, that is found. Alumina, bauxite, these are the raw forms of that aluminium. These are found. So they are these minerals. They are occurred. They are found. They are formed in these five things: igneous, metamorphic rocks, sedimentary rocks in the ocean, and in the form of placer deposits, and into the residual mass. So these are the five things. These are the five ways that these are found. Okay, and we will discuss more in next schedule.